Net C1 Standard A states that we must contribute to the development, communication, and implementation of a shared vision for the comprehensive use of technology to support a digital age education for all students. As an instructional coach or technology coordinator, I must be dedicated to that vision. I must be willing to work with others to meet our mission statement or vision, make decisions, and create or revise policies and procedures. I must assist with deciding if we are meeting our goals, identify areas of concern, and push for new goals. As you can see below, there are several assignments that I have completed during this course to help me meet this standard. The first one you're going to see is the Personality and Leadership Styles Inventory. I completed several personality and leadership style questionnaires to evaluate myself. Now that I am aware of my own personal strengths and weaknesses, I can understand the positive things that I can contribute to the group when we're working on meeting our shared vision. You can click on the hyperlinks that will pull up each assignment in the form of a PDF. The next assignment that we completed was the Learning and Leadership Styles Memo. We were given several articles to read about learning and leadership styles, and then we were to write a memo to Dr. Lewis convincing him and his organization that we needed implementation of learning and leadership style training. This assignment taught me two different things. The first thing was that not everyone learns and leads the same way. So by becoming familiar with the different styles of learning and leadership, I can better work with people that are there when we're trying to meet our shared vision for technology in our school system. The second thing was it put me in a position that I was the technology coordinator, and I was trying to convince my boss that this certain training was needed to help us meet our vision, which is a job that I'm probably going to have to do pretty regularly in my school system. The next assignment was the Fear Factor podcast. We read different articles on how to create a positive environment, and we also read about 6 tenets that can help achieve that positive workplace or classroom. As a technology coordinator, I will be dealing with several different people, and I need to keep in mind the 6 tenets to ensure that I'm contributing to that positive environment and not harming it, and that I'm communicating effectively. The last assignment that helped me meet this standard was the andragogy and TPAC training white paper. Now, I was trying, the purpose of this white paper was to persuade my school board or my boss that we need to implement this training for our school system. Now, given that this might not be a certain training that I will be convincing my boss for, but it put me in the position, once again, as being the technology coordinator, trying to convince my boss that we needed this training, and that's a part that I can do to meet this standard, is contribute to the shared vision by providing that training for my educators in my school system.